Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how we create these AI videos for scoring packages, for PowerPoint presentations, or any other type of training you need. It's all created with AI, the person, the video scripts, the titles, the backgrounds, everything.
Welcome to our training course on best practices for maintaining a safe and hazard-free work environment.
All of that was AI, create tons of slides, 100 presenters already on the platform, thousands are coming. I'll show you in just a few minutes. Hello everyone, it's David at trainday.io, and today we're going to create some more health and safety training in just a few minutes using AI from some OSHA PDFs, right? So here we are at trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. And what I'm going to do is actually use a PDF from OSHA that we have here. There's a bunch, you can get a bunch of PDFs from OSHA. And we're going to use one for small business. Here it is, small entities that use hazardous chemicals. We use this PDF right here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and download this PDF. I'm going to save this to my desktop, and we're going to use this in TrainDay. So here I am at the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and say, we'll use this workplace safety one. We'll go ahead and use a PDF, and we'll just grab that PDF from OSHA here. Right here, this is what we want, hazard communication. We're going to click use this data, and now you know we're going to use kind of like a template of what we'd like for our course. And I'm just going to go ahead and select this one. And now what has changed since we have so many presenters now created with AI, it's going to actually give us our desired presenter and our background to get us about 85% to our desired outcome, right? So instead of just the background, it's going to give us also a presenter along with our background and some text, a couple different fonts. We're going to select one, and then that should be really close to our desired outcome. All right, here are our samples, and let's see what we got. Okay, so it kind of looks pretty good. It gave us like some healthcare professionals. All right, everyone, so we received our course right here, and we're going to add some different presenters in this, right? So let's see what we got. Got these nice slides. We got some video scripts. I'm gonna go ahead and select this one, and I'm gonna change this title to say like, welcome to toxic chemical training, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and change this font. Good, that's perfect for us. We'll move this up like this. And I'm gonna change our presenter. You see now we have like hundreds of presenters, I guess. We want to use like a toxic chemical one. Let me see if I got somebody. Let's go ahead and do like environmental services, maybe. Yeah, that'll work. Here we go. Look at this person, and we'll make them a little bit bigger, just like that. And we can even get like a sample of how they sound, how they move around.
Hello, I am here to create your workforce training in just a few minutes.
Good, so that looks great for us. We're gonna go ahead and use that. We're gonna apply it to all slides. And now all of our slides should look pretty good, right? Nice and uniform, the text looks good, the presenter looks good. You can even change like a presenter on a certain slide. So say if we want a different one for this one, let's say if we wanna get somebody from pharmaceuticals, we'll go ahead and get this person, right? And we'll make this person a little bit bigger. All right, so we have this other presenter. We'll go ahead and check out what here we go. So you see all our slides with this one different slide with a different presenter, no big deal. You see our quiz here. You know, we can create more quizzes. We can translate the entire course into 30 different languages, right? We don't need to do any of that right now. All we'll do is add our learners, right? They can take the course and generate your slides, right? So we'll generate our slides. These look all good. Let's click generate slide, and we'll generate this one first. We want captions, and then you know you can just keep going on generating more slides as you want until they're all done, and then people can go ahead and take the course, and you can track all the progress right here in our own LMS. Or of course, you know, you can export it as a SCORM file, SCORM package, or a PowerPoint presentation. So thank you for watching. I can't wait to see what you build with Train Day, and enjoy all the new presenters.